What if I told you that rest days can accelerate your lean muscle and fitness goals if you fuel them the right way? Most people turn off healthy eating on rest days, treating them like cheat days. But if you're over 30, that mindset can slow your progress and make recovery harder. Today, I'm sharing how to eat, move, and supplement on rest days to support muscle repair, energy, and future performance, backed by updated research over the last few years. Stick around because tweak number 3 might surprise you. Welcome back to the channel for busy adults who train smart, recover smarter, and live active lives. I am an ACE certified trainer with 20 years in fitness. You've learned about recovery supplements and workout efficiency, but today we're talking about rest day nutrition and why it matters just as much as training. If rest days feel like wasted effort, hit that like button and let's fix it. Recovery day meals should still include adequate protein to prevent muscle breakdown and support repair. A 2024 editorial in Frontiers in Sports and Active Living states that muscle protein synthesis rates remain elevated up to 48 hours post-exercise, making protein intake essential even on rest days. So when you are not in the gym, it is crucial to get the protein to help your next workout be even more effective. Aim for around and just over 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight in protein daily. Even without training, consistent protein preserves lean mass and supports metabolic health. Though you're not training, your muscles still need their fuel tank refilled, especially if workouts are frequent or intense. Recent Sports Nutrition Science 2025 Springer Review confirms that combining protein with carbohydrates post-exercise accelerates recovery and can be beneficial even across rest days. Aim for a 2.1 to 3.1 ratio of carbs to protein. An example combo would be chicken with sweet potato or cottage cheese and fruit. On rest days, inflammation can linger and stall recovery. Studies from 2021-2024 show that omega-3s, EPA, DHA, help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after exercise. This is especially helpful for those that work out regularly and those over 30. Here are some things to include to keep the omegas high. Fatty fish such as salmon and sardines, flax, chia, walnuts, tart cherries, turmeric, and leafy greens, rich in polyphenols. An example meal could be grilled salmon with kale and berries. If you hate kale, get some spinach and throw some olive oil dressing on. All done training? Keep moving. A quick 5-minute mobility or movement break, walking, light stretches, foam rolling, can enhance blood flow and nutrient delivery, speeding recovery. A 2022 occupational health review found that short movement breaks improved mood, alertness, and reduced fatigue, even without training that day. This works wonders if you're stiff or sedentary on your day off. Recovery days don't mean no movement. Gentle. Recovery makes a difference. A 2025 study in Nutrients showed that when omega-3 supplementation was combined with resistance training, participants improved inflammatory markers, lipid profile, mood biomarkers, and performance metrics like strength and agility. Here are some key supplements and reasons why to use them. I have covered these in other videos, but have them listed as a refresher for those that are new. Creatine monohydrate. The science says yes even on rest days. It doesn't get more research than this. Magnesium glycinate before bed for better recovery sleep. Omega-3 supplements if intake from food is low. Vitamin D if you lack sun exposure. These help rebuild, refresh, and prime you for your next workout. Rest day isn't a green light for late nights or screens. Quality sleep repairs tissue, regulates hormones, and improves recovery response. A 2022 meta-study in sleep health confirmed that bedtime routines without screens improve sleep quality and recovery in high-stress adults. Have a set bedtime, give or take a half an hour so your body gets used to it. For example, if you normally go to bed at 9 p.m., don't go to bed later than 9:30. Also, try putting away your phone and darkening the room. There's a difference between being in bed for 8 hours and sleeping for 8 hours. One night of poor sleep can dampen muscle protein synthesis and increase fatigue. So treat recovery nights like training nights. Let's recap the 6 essential rest day recovery strategies. 1. Protein remains priority even if you're not training. 2. Carb-protein combo helps restore energy and aid repair. 3. Anti-inflammatory foods and omega-3s protect and calm inflammation. 4. Movement and activity help with circulation even on rest days. 5. Smart supplements support recovery without being overkill. 6. Quality sleep routines seal the deal. These small strategies compound powerfully over weeks and months. Treat your rest days like part of the plan, not days off from discipline. The time you are not in the gym is the time your body actually recovers and gets stronger. If this rest day reset resonated, smash that like button and subscribe for evidence-based minimalist fitness and wellness guidance. Comment below, what's your favorite recovery habit on rest day? Share it and inspire someone else. Recovery isn't passive, it's strategic. Respect it, recognize it, and your fitness becomes unstoppable. Our goal, as always, is to bring you practical fitness advice you can use right away.